started at 6th and Broadway in a little 1,000 square foot shop. We moved to the location out here at Meadowbrook Commons 2 years after we opened, and we've been here ever since.
We opened this Joplin store in November of 2004. In November of 2014, we moved down here to 20th and Rangeline to a much bigger location because we'd continue to grow over the years and still continue to grow.
So the Create Bar is a really neat concept. The customer comes in and they sit down with one of our staff members, and basically using the computer they can design their ring from start to finish. They can pick all the different little design elements and we draw it on the computer, and then we deliver a finished piece of jewelry to them, and it's totally unique to them.
It's cool to see the process of that, them bringing a picture in or their phones in with Pinterest things and seeing the steps it takes to make those pieces possible.
I've got 2 of my sons that are coming into the business, and I don't know what the industry or business will be like in 20 years. I don't have that crystal ball. All I know is that in the first 17 years, we've evolved.
Having 5 children, we had always hoped that maybe one of them would want to go into the business. Our oldest has been to jewelry school and completed that and is now working alongside his dad full-time.
Family-owned stores really accentuate trying to keep their customer base, so they try to please their customers, go out of the way to do whatever they can, and they offer sometimes personalized service, delivering a piece of jewelry to that person's house when they have a hard time picking it up. Things like that you just don't find in corporate-owned stores.
I think the main difference between COMEAU Jewelry and a chain is the relationships, is the feeling that you get knowing that you're getting the best possible care, the best possible treatment of your jewelry, and the best possible treatment of yourself.
The best times are when you make a piece of jewelry for a customer, and when they come to pick it up and see it for the first time, good tears flow.
We love our customers, and our customers are super important to us. They're not just another face that walks in while they're shopping in the mall. We know them, we know their families, we know what they like.
We're genuine people and we really do care.